Got a question for you guys that have these sawmills, and how do you price your lumber out? Now, see, that piece right there is probably a little bit, just right, a fraction under 8 foot. And it is, well, it was 14 foot and I cut some off, so that 14 means it was total 14 foot. But however, it's 10, 11 inches in diameter. And what we're gonna get out of it is what I'm gonna show you inside the shop. And I'm just curious as to how do you price your logs, slabs, once you cut the log? How do you value your time sawing the log? Is it based on the type of equipment you have? Is it based on the area you're having to get the slab or the logs from? Let's share some thoughts on how do you base your prices on this stuff. You know, there is a lot of really good sawmill videos out there on YouTube. What would we do without YouTube, man? That's a wild place to be. It's a wild west of video. YouTube is it. YouTube makes it happen. This is just some of the stuff I've got inside here, but to give you an idea, what we're talking about is that came off the other end of that log that you saw in the sawmill back there. So how would you price that board? That board is 6 foot long and 10, 11, maybe tops inches wide, and most of those are 3/4 to 1 inch thick. So yeah, let's share some thoughts here on what would you sell that that slab of wood for? Now, it's nice on both sides. It's live edge pretty much on 2 sides, or 1.5. I kind of trimmed the other side up. But I've just always been curious, you know, how do you price your wood after you cut it on a sawmill? Share your thoughts, put it down there, post your suggestions and comments down below in the description and reply box. I'm not good with words, and you can probably tell that by now already. But yeah, let's help each other understand why and how we charge for our wood that we cut on our sawmills. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.